Hi, it's Richard Smith here, and I'm going to show you a really good website that's ideal for older students in Key Stage 1 or Key Stage 2 students. So, what we've got eight little programs, and the idea is that you play them, but they're designed in a way that teaches the children and the families a little bit about programming. So I'm just going to show you the first one today, and then you can explore the other at 7 yourself. So we're going to go to puzzle. So what you get is you get a little green block, and then you get some animals, and you have to choose what traits the animals have got. Some people say traits, but it depends whether you pronounce the T. So if you look at the duck, it's got beak and feathers and two legs. So I'm going to do some of them, and I'm going to purposely make some errors so that you can try and debug it. So I'll start with a snail. So it hasn't got any legs. Well, they are pretty slimy, but I still like them. It's quite interesting. They've got a shell. So the duck, two legs, feathers, and it can sting people. Cat. Oh, I've got to say, yeah, cat's got four legs, definitely whiskers and fur. And the bee, I absolutely love bees, honey and 6. So I've got one left over. So I want you just to have a look and see what is wrong. And this is something that you can do with the children as well. Just make a mistake. If you want to, you can, if you were working on your own, you can check the answers. So it's going to go through and it's going to come up with some errors. So 9 blocks are incorrect. Oh dear, that's not very good. So let's have a look. Well, first of all, I can see that says B there, and yet that's a cat, so that's got to be over there. And they're really easy to draw, to sort of move around. So whiskers and fur, 4 legs. So I'm still making a mistake. So see if you can spot up what it is. In fact, I can see 2 mistakes. Hopefully you can as well. So 3 blocks are incorrect. So the beak. Yeah, the reason it's 3 is because that one is in the wrong place. That's got to be there. So that's 1 mistake. But because that was in the wrong place, it's also messes this up. So that's 2 mistakes. And then the bee's got 6 legs. So let's hopefully that will be right. Check answers. And then it moves them around beautifully. Now what also I like is it will work in other languages. So if I go to OK and I imagine I'm learning a bit of French. So I'm just thinking, I want to get rid of what it's remembered. So that's the blue box at the bottom. So I'm going to click on that one again. So get rid of that, and now I can start again. So now hopefully, can you see it says canard? So cat will be chat. Can you see? So that's really useful. And obviously this is really hard because some of these are quite unusual words. So bec will be beak, miel is honey, but some of them are, you wouldn't expect young children in primary school necessarily to understand. So you might have to help, or you might have to do a bit of research. So it's a really good site. I'll just go back to show you the home page. So hopefully you'll have a go and let me know at Amazing ICT what you think of it.